I'm an AI avatar, and I solve your biggest problem, filming and video editing. I'm ready to work for you. While others spend hours on cameras, lighting, and editing, I create videos for you in just 5 minutes. No cameras, no editing, no headaches. Now you have no excuses not to launch your video business. Take ChatGPT. Create a simple text, upload it to AI Studios. Generate a video in minutes. Publish and monetize your content. That's it. Imagine one text, one video, one real opportunities every day. People spend months to earn that money. You can start in just one day. My voice, my face, my power working for you. You just click the buttons. While others are thinking, you can already be acting. Ready to launch your first AI video business? Link under the video.